Leave me alone.
I better get ready to meet up with Noah and go camping. I need to grab the backpack and, as a precaution, a lighter in case we decide to make a campfire. Hey Noah, excited for this adventure in the forest?
Absolutely, Jackson. This getaway is going to be the best. Nothing like a good dose of nature to escape the everyday chaos.
Totally agree. Hey, I heard this forest has strange stories, legends of things that roam at night.
Ah, you know how those stories go. Just legends to add more excitement to the experience. It won't be anything major, just two guys enjoying the outdoors.
I hope you're right. But seriously, what would you do if we encountered something bizarre out there?
Haha! Man, if I saw something strange, I'd run faster than a scared squirrel. But on a serious note, don't worry, we'll be fine. It's just a camping trip. Nothing major is going to happen.
You always manage to reassure me, Noah. Let's make the most of the night. Finally, we've arrived.
Yeah. Well, let's get to it. How about this, Jackson? You set up the tent, and I'll go gather some wood for the campfire. What do you think?
All right, I'll start setting up the tent. What is this? A graveyard?
Hey Jackson, I brought the firewood. Let's set up the campfire. It's getting late. Jackson, do you have something to light the campfire?
I brought a lighter. It's in the car. I'll go get it.
Man, nothing like the warmth of a good campfire to ward off any weird feelings in the forest.
I agree, Noah. Sometimes it's good to escape the urban routine and enjoy nature. So speaking of which, how about telling some spooky stories? They say it's a camping tradition.
Oh, absolutely. Let's do it. I have one to start. Ever heard of the local legend of the Silent Trail ghost?
No, I haven't. What's that story?
They say many years ago, a lone traveller got lost in this forest. He walked a narrow trail, but was never seen again. They say now, at night, you can hear his silent footsteps wandering through the forest, as if still searching for his way home.
Well, I've never seen anything that couldn't be explained, but there's always something eerie about this forest, don't you think?
Sometimes imagination plays tricks on us, but hey, we're here to have fun. No ghosts are going to spoil our night.
I agree, Noah. No legend will stop us from enjoying this getaway. Noah, it's very late and I'm tired. I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep too. I'm exhausted.
All right. Good night, Noah.
Good night, Jackson.
What was that? I'd better wake up Noah. No, he isn't here. Where is he? Noah! Leave me alone.